Hi everyone, welcome to the online classes of responsive web design by using Bootstrap. So today I would like to show how the pop-up of an image or form appear before the web page. For that, in Bootstrap there is a component name called model. So friends, here remember the word model. Whenever you need a requirement of putting a pop-up, so simply open your browser and open getbootstrap.com. In the getbootstrap.com, click JavaScript. On the right side, you will find model component. Click on the model component. Here, this is the pop-up, and down there is the code. If you need, you can check the demo also, launch demo model. If you click on this, the pop-up appears. So check as per your requirement. If you need small pop-up, then use this code. If you need large, you use this code. So all the codes are ready-madely available inside the Bootstrap. Launch a demo model. If you need like this, you can use. So I'll copy okay, I will use this model. This is very good to see. Okay, so for this I have to do copy the entire code here. So actually here it is given buttons. If I click the button, then pop-up appearing, but my requirement is not like that. My requirement is whenever I load the page, the pop-up automatically wants to appear without any clicking. So for that, you leave the buttons code. From here, copy the entire code. Control C. I copied the code. For your better understanding, I will create another HTML and name it as pop-up. Suppose I am opening this file and save as with the name popup.html. I am saving this. I will write my first pop-up. Okay, now I am removing the body part entirely. Now I removed entire body part. Now I am saving the HTML file. Now open your pop-up HTML in your browser. Now see, my title appears, my first pop-up, but in the body nothing is there. Now whenever the page loads, I need a pop-up. For that, I need to paste this whatever code we have copied from the Bootstrap side. So I am copying entire form. Now I will refresh. What will done? If I refresh also, the pop-up is not appearing. Why? Because here you have to fire this trigger. That means you have to write some JavaScript. So here I am writing the JavaScript in the head section always write JavaScript in head section. So here actually I am writing jQuery code. Why? Because it is very lightweight and it is also a JavaScript library. It works in all the browsers, it will works, and jQuery code is very less compared to JavaScript. JavaScript has lots of number of lines, but jQuery code is very simple. So I am writing jQuery code here. But don't forget friends, jQuery is also a JavaScript library. So I am writing the code dollar. Here dollar means it is the sign to access the jQuery or to define the jQuery, whatever you call. Dollar document. Here document dot ready, that is the event name. Document dot ready. This is the syntax for every jQuery starting. You have to write this line. So remember friends, this is the syntax. Dollar means it is defining the jQuery. Here I am writing jQuery. Document dot ready event, that is the document dot ready event. In this flower brackets, in between the flower brackets, you have to write the jQuery method. So I am writing the jQuery method. Before writing the jQuery method, here we have to enter this division part, enter this complete model, entire model. We have to give one ID. Here the ID name is example model. Whether if you leave like that example model, so copy this example model and here you write the jQuery method dollar in single quotation, call the ID whatever you have written in the model block. So before calling any ID, you have to use the symbol hash. So I am writing hash and paste the ID name, that is example dot model. Here is dot model, that is the plugin model. The model will is a plugin for pop-up window that is displayed on the current page. If you need pop-up, so you have to write model. So you need pop-up to be, what the pop-up should be done, it should be showed or hide. So you need to show, so you have to write show semicolon. I have written like this. Now I am saving. So now refresh the page. Friends, see the pop-up appears. Whenever I refresh this page, the pop-up appears. It is very simple. Once again I am repeating. Go and open the Bootstrap web page and copy the model code here and name it one ID. Suppose if I write pop-up, so pop-up entire ID, here you call like this pop-up. Show is the method, jQuery method. Model is the plugin for pop-up. Pop-up is the ID for the entire model. Now I am saving. Now I am refreshing. Now also it is coming. So whatever you name it, whether it is hash pop-up, hash Ravi, whatever it is, right, like this. So that's it, friends. Suppose if you need, you don't not you need not form. If you need image, then you remove the form content. Suppose I am here, I am removing the form content. Here I will put image. For image you have to write the code like this: img source. You know already source is images folder. In images folder there is a picture .jpg, and close like this. Then see what happened. Image appears but it is not responsive. Why? Because you not mentioned responsive. So write the class equal to image responsive. Now see, friends, when I refresh this, oh, it's looking beautiful. The image appears responsively. Suppose if you need the image should be rounded shape, then write like this: img rounded. If I need circle shape, suppose img circle. So see, friends, it is very nice. So if you need new message, you can edit this new message also. If do you want to say some greetings like happy birthday, save like this, happy birthday. Similarly, if you need a center alignment, write the style also, so you know everything. If I click close button, it is closing. If I click cross button, then also it is closing. So that's it, friends. Now I will add this code to our main index file. So simply open the index file. At the top of the navigation bar, at the top of the container, after the body part, I am pasting entire pop-up code, that is from here to why? Because before the current page the pop-up should be appear, so that's why I am pasting the code at the top of. And you have to write, don't forget, friends, you have to write copy script also. So I am copying the script. Control C. In the head section I am pasting. Save. Now I am opening index file in website index. See, friends, when I refresh, the image is appearing after closing. My website is. That's it, friends. Thank you for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If it is useful to you, please like or subscribe my channel. If you have any queries, comment me.